Hey everybody, it's Lisa from Lisa Bug Fitness and Yoga. It's been a minute since I left an update on my knee replacement. The last one I left you was at 4 months post-op, and I missed the 5-month mark because I was in England visiting my new grandson Sydney, and I did really well on the trip. I did great on the flight, didn't have any issues with the knee replacement, was able to get up, walk around, and did well on the trip. So now I'm at about 5.5 months post-op, a little bit more than that right now. And I just wanted to let you know how I'm doing. And I must say, this recovery is continuing to move at a snail's pace, in my opinion, of course. But it's taking a long time for me to recover from this. And at the 4-month post-op mark, I was still using a cane to go for long walks. Well, now I'm not using that anymore, so I've gotten rid of the cane. That's positive, and I really haven't needed it for a while, but I do still occasionally have a little buckling of that quad, and so the cane was helping me with balance and to walk properly. But I've stopped using the cane altogether, and I am still doing great with range of motion. Flexion is about 140, extension is 0. That's more than I could have hoped for, so I'm very pleased with that. My strength is coming along gradually, but what has happened in the last couple months is I started to develop severe patellar tendinitis. And this can be painful, chronic, and it's really interfering with the way I walk. When I stride forward and start to bend my knee, I get a sharp stabbing pain right underneath the kneecap. So I reached out to my physical therapist, Shania, and told her what was going on, and she said, you need to back off on your load and start doing these isometric exercises. So I stopped the body pump classes, I stopped the group cycling, I cut way back on my strength training for the knee. I basically kind of avoided anything that caused me pain. And when I walk really stiff, like I have a peg leg, because it hurts when I bend my knee. And that's not good, because then my other knee starts hurting, my other hip starts hurting, because my body's just out of whack and I'm not walking properly. So I tried some things on YouTube. There's a lot out there for patellar tendinitis. And I gave it, about a month and a half's time, and I'm not seeing any improvement. What I'm doing isn't working. So as soon as I got back from England, I researched a PT, physical therapist here in Oviedo, Florida, and his name is Drew with B Physical Therapy, and we're trying some different things to target this patellar tendinitis. We've been doing some dry needling, which I've never tried before, and we do the needles with a stimulation, so it contracts the muscle periodically. We've been doing a lot of deep tissue massage for the tendon as well as other muscles surrounding the knee. My quads are really tight, so we're working on that. And then we're gradually adding exercises in. And the key for these exercises is to gradually load the tendon without irritating the tendon. So sometimes all I do is just contract the muscle and hold it. And then we start doing just slight range of motion so I can stay within that pain-free zone. As soon as I feel the tendon is starting to pinch on me, then I hold back and stop. And that's what is going to help me recover from this, being able to gradually strengthen without stressing that tendon. So I'm hoping that when I give you my next recording, I'll have better news. But my new physical therapist said, Lisa, you are still early in your recovery in terms of a total knee. I almost rolled my eyes, but I said, of course I am. Everybody keeps telling me this, but when you've been walking this walk and living this life for 5.5 months and you're not better, it's a little bit depressing, it's frustrating, and it's hard to have patience. But I have seen a tiny bit of improvement since I've been going to see Drew. I think I have 4 appointments that I've done so far, and he wants to see me probably until I go back to Minneapolis, which will be in about another six weeks or so, 7 weeks. So I'm going to stay with it. I'm hopeful, and hopefully the next time I send an update, I'll have some great news for you. Thanks for staying along with me on this journey. It's been a tough one, but I'm hanging in there, everyone. Have a great day. Take care.